would you look at that? I got a French fry even though I asked for onion rings. And then we have our Bacon King. I actually do really like the Bacon King. I think it's very delicious. I just don't know how I'm going to eat this after eating that barbecue bacon burger from Arby's earlier because my stomach is still reeling. I think it's the patties at Arby's that my stomach just does not agree with, but let's try this. Okay, I will admit, biting into this kind of blows that Arby's burger out of the water. Something about BK burgers, they're just so delicious. Ooh, fries are very fresh today. How crispy that is. Okay, this was the drink that I really wanted. I love getting this drink. I will have Gabe and I go to Burger King just so I can get this drink. Wow, okay. I can't even deny this is a really good burger. The more bites I take of it, the more my stomach is like, Daisy, watch yourself. It's just so tasty. Do you guys remember the Big Tasty at McDonald's? Is that what it was called? The Big Tasty? Let me see. The Big and Tasty. Yes, that is such a good name for a burger. I love that. McDonald's, they need to bring the Big and Tasty back, or another fast food restaurant needs to release a burger called the Big Tasty. I love that name so much. We honestly need more creative names in the fast food space. I feel like everything is so on the nose obvious. It would be cool if a new fast food restaurant opened up that went purely based off vibes for the names of their food. Alright you guys, well that was Burger King. I gotta say, I think they are winning so far in this video. Nothing beats a BK burger for me. They